The Masonic Gavel, a sound of transformation. In the quiet of a Masonic lodge, a single sound breaks the silence. The strike of a gavel. Simple, sharp, intentional. To an outsider, it signals the start of a meeting. But to a Mason, it represents something far older and far more personal. Long before modern buildings rose from steel and glass, stonemasons shaped the world with their hands. Before a stone could become part of a temple, it began rough, uneven, imperfect. And with careful, deliberate strikes of the gavel, the masons slowly shaped the rough stone, revealing its true form. Freemasonry teaches that each of us is that unfinished stone. We enter life carrying flaws, impatience, ego, fear, and doubt. The rough edges formed by experience and circumstance. The gavel reminds us that growth does not happen on its own. It requires effort, discipline, and sometimes uncomfortable change. Every strike symbolizes a decision, a moment where we choose restraint over anger, integrity over convenience, and purpose over comfort. The gavel does not shape the stone in a single blow. It works slowly, deliberately, just as character is built over time. And when the worshipful master raises the gavel in the lodge, it is not a symbol of power, but of responsibility. The responsibility to bring order from chaos, harmony from noise, and direction from uncertainty. Because the real work of Freemasonry is not performed on the lodge floor. It happens outside those walls, in our homes, our work, our hearts, and the way we treat others when no one is watching. The true gavel is invisible. It is the voice that reminds us to be better today than we were yesterday. This beautiful gavel you see here, I would like to thank Brother Gordon Fleming for creating me this masterpiece from scratch. Gordon, from the bottom of my heart, this is truly a work of art. I thank you so much. I couldn't have asked for more, and it really means a lot to be gifted this gavel from you, along with this beautiful sounding block. So again, Gordon, thank you very, very much.